Out of all the advice mentioned in this course, a water filter is one of the most important things you can do for you and your family's health. I really consider it a necessity rather than a luxury these days. Considering that we drink several liters of water daily, it's clear that safe water should be a priority. While numerous potential contaminants lurk in our water, the only way to ensure safety is by buying an effective water filter. Even if the water from the treatment plant is considered safe, which it not always is, it may still have to travel through many miles of pipes before it eventually reaches your home, allowing for a whole bunch of contamination issues along the way. So really, again, the only way to ensure that you're drinking clean and safe water is to filter it when it gets to your home. And yes, I understand that the upfront cost can be high. However, it can be a more cost-effective solution than bottled water in the long term, as really replacement filters are relatively inexpensive when compared to bottled water. And unfortunately, boiling water isn't sufficient. This kills bacteria and removes chlorine from the water, but it does little else to remove other chemicals and contaminants that could still be present in there. Similarly, most water filter jugs only enhance the taste and odor of the water without really addressing the other contaminants that are in there. When it comes to using water filtration, generally you get what you pay for. So in summary, you either get a filter or you are the filter. In the next lesson, we're going to go over what factors you need to consider when choosing a water filter.